Hello, here is the storyline of episode 51. At the beginning of this episode, Gong-hee only considers Dan-soo as a friend and nothing more. She feels that Dan-soo adds stress to her life, which is struggling to forget Min-ki. Gong-hee also returns the ring that Dan-soo gave her and she asks Dan-soo to stay away from her. The next day, Gong-hee is very happy because she gets a reply email from Holly, where Holly agrees to collaborate with Jay's Fashion, which means Gong-hee is the first person who managed to make Holly willing to collaborate with Jay's Fashion. Meanwhile, there is Dan-soo who sees Gong-hee's happiness and he says to himself that even though Gong-hee asked him to stay away, but at least he could continue to support Gong-hee when he becomes Holly. According to Jina's words, if Gong-hee succeeds in this collaboration, then Gong-hee will lead this project and will be promoted as a permanent employee. She sincerely thanks Jina who has trusted her, but Jina feels that Gong-hee's words of gratitude are a sarcasm for her. She begins to feel uncomfortable seeing Gong-hee who is always around Min-ki, and she feels uncomfortable seeing Gong-hee's work ethic. Therefore, she contacts Reporter Park and she tells Reporter Park that she wants to give an exclusive news to Reporter Park. I suspect that Jina will tell Reporter Park to write an article that Gong-hee lives in the same house with Dan-soo. Then, in this episode, Dan-soo warns Min-ki to stop being nice and excessive to Gong-hee because now Min-ki and Gong-hee have broken up. Dan-soo also confidently tells Gong-hee that he is Gong-hee's roommate, who has the right to forbid Min-ki from being around Gong-hee. Meanwhile, another story comes from Myung-ja, who is disappointed with Kyung-tae after she sees the ring worn by Audrey. Even though Audrey has given Myung-ja a reasonable reason so that Myung-ja does not misunderstand, but Myung-ja still harbors a very deep resentment towards Kyung-tae. In addition, in this episode, it is shown that Sun-yi gives some money to Gang-bu as a wedding gift, but it is also shown that the wedding ring that Sun-yi usually wears is no longer there. It is likely that Sun-yi sold her wedding ring and Sun-yi gave the money from selling the ring to Gang-bu. At the end of this episode, Chairwoman Huang cannot let Dan-soo stay at the main family house for long. She is worried that Dan-soo will realize that Audrey is Dan-soo's biological mother. So she comes to the main family house to pick up Dan-soo. There, Chairwoman Huang meets Myung-ja, who does not like Chairwoman Huang because what Myung-ja knows all this time is Chairwoman Huang or Dan-soo's grandmother is the person who has abandoned Dan-soo. Okay everyone, that's the storyline this time. Thank you for watching my video.